Today we're going to do some fusion, and we're going to very quickly try to design a Game Boy. Open Fusion on your machines. Sign in with masafig11@gmail.com. I will put that on LMS and in the Teams. Password MOE@12345. Open Data Panel. Open the folder. Select New Folder and make a folder for yourself. Open this folder, close the data panel. Select the clock here, job status, and go offline. Later, when we want to save our work, we will go online. Online, offline. Every Fusion project starts with a sketch. From here we can create a sketch. We can also create a sketch from the menu. Create a sketch and select the bottom plane. From the browser, you can see here we have the YZ plane. Here is the XZ. Here is the XY. I want to sketch on the XZ plane. We're going to sketch a rectangle, a center rectangle. Place the center on the center. Draw a square any size. Now select the letter D or the sketch dimension icon or create sketch dimension. And we want to change the size. So we will change the size of this to 140. Enter. Select the letter D again. We want to change the size of this. $80. And finish the sketch. We want to make this a 3D object now, so we can use the extrude shortcut or create extrude, or you can select the letter E. And I want to extrude that to a value of 15 millimeters. Going back to my picture, I want to make the edges a little round. We use the fillet tool. I want to fillet one edge, two edge, three edge, using the orbit tool. 4 edges, and let's make that a value 5, 10. You can choose the size. Okay, select the house to go home. You can zoom in and out using the zoom. Now I want to fillet these edges also. So fillet, to select this edge using the orbit. Also select this edge and we will fillet that to 2. Press OK. Select the home button. Now we need to make a screen. Create a sketch. From the shortcut or the menu, create sketch. And this time select the top of your Game Boy. You can move it using the pan. This time we're going to create a rectangle, 2-point rectangle. Cancel that. Let's create a center rectangle. Put the center on the center again. This time we want to make it 60 by 60. Finish the sketch. Create extrude. Select our new shape and we want to push this down. -2. Operation cut. Select the home button. Okay, we can spin this around. Home button always takes us home. Now I want to have my controls. So first let's build the circle. Create a sketch on the top plane. Circle, center diameter circle. I'm going to put the center on there. And let's make this 30. Enter. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Select our circle. And we're going to push that down 5 millimeters. Again, I'm going to use the fillet tool to soften these edges. Let's try 2. Maybe that's too much. 1. Okay. Create a sketch. This time, select inside the circle. Sketch, rectangle, center rectangle. Let's put the center on the center. You can use the zoom to make this bigger. And we're going to make this 20. Use the tab button by 5. Enter. Create another rectangle, center rectangle. This time 5 by 20. Enter. Finish the sketch. Select the home button. Create extrude. And this time we want to select all the pieces of the cross. And we're going to extrude that 8 millimeters. Press OK. Again, with the fillet tool, we can select these edges. And you can choose, let's try 1, 2, 1. 1 looks okay. That's okay. Select the home button. Now we have one of our controls. We have a screen. Go back to our design. We need 3 buttons over here now. Create a sketch on the top plane, and we're going to sketch a point in the middle here. 1 point. Now I am going to create a circle, center diameter circle. Let's place that here. We'll make that a value of, we'll try 10. No, we'll try 8. Press enter. Create circular pattern. Select the circle. Center point is our center point. Change that to full, and the quantity is 4. It's okay. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Select our 4 buttons, and we'll extrude them to a height of 5. Press OK, and we will fillet. Let's try 0.5. 1. Press OK. Home button. And there, girls, you have your Game Boy. In the next video, we will change the appearance of this. Make sure you are working online and save this. Now you need to save this in My First Project, your class, and your name.